Sun glare, uneven skin, darkened lips? Introducing the limited edition Like Tiara kit in collaboration with Polish Choice. This kit includes a bucket hat, sunscreen, and lip screen. This limited edition kit will be available starting on May 17th. And for 48 hours, starting May 17th, there will be a 20% off Polish Choice site-wide sale. Side effects may include, people keep bothering you asking where your skincare routine is and looking extra fly wearing our bucket hat. You may also experience more glowy and even skin tone with reduced sun damage. Some consumers may experience an improved appearance of lips. You also might become more consistent with your skincare routine and inspire other people to do the same. Click the link in my bio to get this kit now, because once it's gone, it's gone.